In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Klarna on Amazon. To complete the process, download and install the latest version of the Klarna app on your phone. This method is effective only when executed through the app. Upon opening the app, Amazon should be readily visible on the home screen among the listed stores. If it's not immediately apparent, utilize the search function to locate Amazon. Upon selecting Amazon, you will be promptly redirected to the Amazon website where a key button should be present at the bottom of your screen. If this button is not visible, attempt reopening the app and selecting Amazon once more. It is crucial to observe these two buttons beneath the Amazon website to ensure eligibility for using Klarna on Amazon properly. You can add desired items to your shopping cart and proceed with your purchases as usual. Once satisfied, click on Pay with Key and you will be prompted to specify the amount. The app will inquire about your preferred payment method for the items in your shopping cart. As long as you have completed the steps through the app, Klarna will be available for use, allowing you to pay conveniently with Klarna. And that is how to use Klarna on Amazon.